Hello, and good to have you back. This is the last video in the publication strategy module. In previous videos, we discussed how future career plans should affect your choice of publications, how to assess the quality of different journals, how to choose the journals for each article you would like to submit, and finally, how to follow the submission process. In this video, I will give you some tips how to increase the visibility of your work before and after publication. Given the known fact that most articles are never read, it is important to take active steps to make sure your work is seen. Before submitting your article to journals, try to present it at different relevant workshops and conferences. This way you can receive some feedback on your work and show people what you are working on. You should then also add the names of those conferences and the people who gave you feedback in the acknowledgement. Especially when you present it in a good known conference, this serves as a small signal of quality. Another way to increase the visibility of your work even before publication is uploading it to academic online platforms such as SSRN and ResearchGate. You can find the links in the text box below this video. But before uploading each paper, check in the journals where you wish to publish whether this is allowed. In the field of law and also in economics, it is usually allowed and doesn't block later publication. But still, double check. Having the papers online already at this stage communicates to others what is your research and gives you the opportunity to be cited even before publication. However, be also careful that your ideas are not taken by others. Now let's talk about the ways to increase the visibility of your work after it is published. If you publish in an open access journal, upload your published paper on SSRN, ResearchGate, and any other suitable online platform. Tweet about your publication, tag interested people. If, on the other hand, you publish your article in a closed access journal, there is a special website where you can find information on the embargo periods of many journals. You can find the link in the text box below this video. This website gives you information which version, if any, can be uploaded online. For example, maybe you can upload the pre-referred version on your website. In addition, you can see there after how long you can upload the final draft of your article. Finally, don't be shy to send your article to experts in your field who might be interested in it. If they cite your work, it can give you great exposure. This is the end of the publication strategy module. I hope you find it useful and I wish you good luck with your publications.